Struggling to get your barbecue meats juicy, tender, and perfectly cooked every single time? I've been there. Overcooked burgers, dry ribs, and a lot of what went wrong moments. But today, I'm sharing the insider barbecue secrets that pitmasters swear by, so you can finally grill like a pro without any guesswork. If you're hungry for more no-nonsense outdoor cooking tips, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Alright, let's talk about the game-changer meat prep. Here's the deal. Tender meat starts before you even fire up the grill. For beef, pork, or ribs, I always dry brine. That means salt your meat generously at least 24 hours ahead and leave it uncovered in the fridge. Science backs it up. Salt breaks down those tough muscle fibers and helps the meat stay juicy once it cooks. If you want to layer on even more flavor, save your spice rubs for right before the grill. Putting them on too early can burn the spices and give you a bitter bite. And this is key, don't toss cold meat on the grill. Let it sit out for about 30 minutes so it cooks evenly. Now, let's bust the biggest myth in backyard BBQ, timing. Forget about watching the clock, it's all about temperature. Invest in a solid meat thermometer. For chicken, you want to hit 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Beef for medium, aim for 135 degrees Fahrenheit, then give it a quick rest till it climbs to 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Pork's just right at 145 degrees Fahrenheit before resting. And for ribs or brisket, you want to see that temp climb to 195-205 degrees Fahrenheit. That's when all the collagen melts down, making it fall apart tender. Cooking a big brisket or pork shoulder, remember, low and slow, 225 to 250 degrees on your grill, and don't rush it. The pros use something called the Texas crutch. Wrap your meat in foil when it hits 160 degrees Fahrenheit inside. It powers through the stall and keeps everything moist. Once you've hit that perfect temp, don't slice right away. Resting is what makes the difference between dry and juicy. Smaller cuts? Let them rest 5 to 10 minutes. Big boys like brisket or roast, you'll want a solid 30 to 45 minutes. Wrap it up in foil, maybe even pop it in a cooler, and let those juices settle back in. When you're finally ready to serve, always slice against the grain. That's how you get that buttery soft bite every time. Let's recap. Dry brine early, cook by temp not time, rest your meat, and always use a thermometer, never just your eyes. Trust me, you'll see the difference on your plate and in every bite. If this helped you level up your backyard barbecue game, smash that like button and drop your favorite go-to barbecue meat in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more real deal grilling, camping eats, and fishing feasts. See you at the next cookout.